Hey guys, I just wanted to show you this exhaust I built for the RX7 that I have. It's a Skunk 2 3-inch in and out muffler. It's just one of those things I just had laying around, so I decided to use it. It's just a single muffler, single 3-inch into a Y pipe, dual 2.5-inch right here, and then you see how I just have it joined with a V-band, and then right off of factory truck headers that I modified to fit the RX7. I like it. Sounds pretty good. It's a little too loud for my taste, but I'm gonna add another resonator, probably right about here. But yeah, let me know what you guys think.